Alright guys, got a bowl of cereal here, all the way to the top, and I'm going to be eating with my clone today. He'll join us here. Nice bowl of Cheerios. I was inspired to do this by a guy on YouTube. Great cereal. Create a watermelon with this clone, and yeah, that's why I'm eating cereal now. You know, summer just started. School's out. Stay tuned to the end for something a little bit more exciting. But my clone, eating with a clone, is pretty exciting. He's pretty cool, I guess you'd say. Beautiful day here in Florida. I'm not going to say my city because I don't want to expose myself like that. Pretty sure today's high is like 96. Crazy. Alright, very peaceful day out. Sun shining, really hot like I said. Alright. Thanks for you guys watching. Me and my clone here. Oh yeah. Alright, I promised something exciting. I got some bananas here. And we're gonna throw them into the marsh. This one's gonna go far, guys. I'm telling you. Another banana right here. Here we go. That was like a boomerang. Two more. That was split on the tree. There's a foot of raccoons.
Hey, Godem.